Alternating currents and voltages. So far we have looked at the current supplied by a battery. The electricity always flows in the same direction from battery positive round the circuit to battery negative and is called direct current or DC. Alternating current AC is different. It keeps on changing direction, first one way and then the other. AC is easier to generate and easier to change from one voltage to another. The mains electricity supply to the house is alternating current. The generator at the power station is a large coil of wire rotating in a powerful magnetic field. If we look at just one wire in the rotating coil, it is first going up through the field, then half a turn later coming down. Whilst the wire is going up and the voltage and current generated has one polarity, and moments later when the wire is coming down, the voltage and current are of opposite polarity. The alternator in a car produces AC, but that is no use to charge the car battery or to run many of the electronic items in the car, such as the radio. Special electronics are needed to convert the alternating current to direct current for recharging the car battery and powering all the car electrical and electronic items. The same electronics to convert AC to DC in a car is also needed in mains-driven electronic equipment, such as televisions. There may also be a need to change the 230 volt mains to a lower voltage. That is easy to do with AC using a transformer. It is not nearly so simple with DC supply. The methods of doing that are covered in the intermediate and full amateur license courses. Alternating currents and voltages do not suddenly switch from one polarity to the other. See figure 3.9 below. Shows two complete cycles which build up to a peak in one direction, then reduce back to zero before building up in the opposite direction. This smooth waveform is known as a sine wave, in brackets, from the sine function in trigonometry. The graph showing two cycles of the varying voltage or current of a sine wave over time. There are two features of an alternating current or voltage that we need to know. Not only do we need to know the size of the voltage, we need to know how often the cycles of change occur. That is called the frequency. Frequency is defined as the number of cycles occurring in 1 second. The unit of measurement is the hertz, which equates to 1 cycle per second. The domestic main supply is 230 volts and 50 hertz. That means there are 50 complete cycles in 1 second. Older textbooks may refer to 50 hertz as 50 CPS or 50 CS. Hope this helps you. Please like and subscribe to my channel. 7-3 and all the best.